When it comes to reliable and efficient dumpster rental, Harley's Hauling and Dumpster Rental is your go-to solution for all your waste disposal needs. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, a big cleanout, or a construction project, we've got the perfect dumpster to keep your site clean and organized. We pride ourselves on prompt delivery and pickup, ensuring your project stays on track without any hassle. From household junk to construction debris and yard waste, we handle it all. Just load up the dumpster, and we'll take care of the rest. Our experienced team ensures that your dumpster is placed safely and conveniently, protecting your property while giving you easy access. At Harley's Hauling and Dumpster Rental, we take pride in providing clean, sturdy dumpsters that are perfect for any job. Our dumpsters are regularly maintained to ensure they meet the highest standards of cleanliness and durability. Have questions? Our friendly customer service team at Harley's Hauling and Dumpster Rental is here to help you choose the right size dumpster and schedule your delivery. Call us today at 845-418-7000 or visit www.harleyshaulinganything.com to book your dumpster rental. Discover the Harley's Hauling and Dumpster Rental difference and make your next project a breeze.